Best microwave ovens in India 2022. Home appliances are among the few things that cannot be neglected in a household. One home appliance which is crucial and should be part and parcel of every kitchen is a microwave oven. Do you know when the very first commercially viable microwave oven was made? What started on a long journey has revolutionized and transformed the way cooking, defrosting, and even reheating of food. If your home is missing a microwave oven and you finally decided to buy one, then you've landed in the right zone. We've covered a wide range of microwave ovens, ranging from microwaves with fancy LED displays and convection ability. This may seem confusing, but it isn't. There are just 3 types of microwave ovens in India. One. Conventional microwave oven. This type of microwave oven comes with basic functionality. Cooking, reheating, and defrosting food is all that can be done in it. They come in various sizes, capacities, with different types of buttons and turn knobs. However, they are limited in terms of functionality. Two. Grill microwave oven. The name says it all. In addition to being able to cook, reheat, and defrost food, it can also grill food. They tend to be slightly more expensive when compared to solo microwave ovens. Like solo microwave ovens, they come in several sizes and capacities. Three. Convection microwave oven. These are the best microwave ovens in terms of their functionality. It is the best of both worlds, as it includes the functionality of the solo. The grill microwave ovens, with the added function of baking. These tend to be the most expensive and come in a variety of sizes and capacities. Thanks for watching this video.